Hey guys! Today we're going to show you my dollhouse. It's a gift from my chachu. So let's show you a tour of my pretty, beautiful dollhouse. So here's a plant in the front corner. Isn't it, Jojo? What's this, Jojo? A table and chairs? This is a swing for swinging. And here's my dollhouse. Okay, here's our my two dolls. One's name is Lily and one's name is Emily. So the little one's name is Emily and the big one's name is Lily. So there's a staircase going up there to another level. Isn't it, Jojo?
Yeah.
So I have Jojo here with me. So this is the fence of my dollhouse. There's the plant that I showed you earlier. And let's go to the other side. And here's another plant over here. Isn't it, Jojo? Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Jojo likes it. Okay, so the plant was beautiful. Now here's the stairs that I showed you. Here's the doll swing. And here's the big staircase. Let's go up and 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 up. It stops right here. And that's how big my dollhouse is. There's the third plant. Who is this?
Baby doll.
Yeah. Jojo says baby doll. Her name is Emily. Yeah.
Emily.
Emily's a baby, right?
Yeah.
She's a toddler like Jojo. But she's 2 years old. Jojo's 3. Right? And there's the big sister. Her name is Ellie. And you know that Ellie, her nickname is Lily, but her real name is Ellie. So Ellie's hair is an unusual color. And here's the staircase that goes to another level. And here's the carrying bag of Lily up here. There's a flowery pink carrying bag. There's a heart carrier. There's the coffee table with the blue chair. Oh, the bag again? Okay, there's the heart carrier. So now we're going up these stairs. There's the coffee table. My dolly's sleeping there. Hi, Dolly. Shh, shh. Be quiet, guys. Dolly is sleeping. Shh. So this is the roof of our coffee our coffee table's place. So now here's my whole dollhouse. Is it pretty, Jojo?
Yes.
Do you like it, guys? I think the guys like it. I love it. Do you like it? Jojo, do you like it?
Yes.
Jojo loves it. Jojo loves to play with it too. Here my dolly woke up. I was so tired. I'm still sleepy. Let's go downstairs. Going down, 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 down. Going down. I'm so sleepy. Just have to go down. Let's go. Oops, I gotta get Puppy. Puppy, come on. Ruff, ruff. Come on. Ruff, 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 ruff. Shush, Puppy. Baby is sleeping. Okay? So be quiet. Okay. I talk for Puppy. Ruff, 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 ruff. Oh, there's Jojo. There's Jojo over there. What are you doing, Jojo? Just singing? So here we are. So, Puppy, you want to play? Okay, Puppy wants to play. And I'm going to check my homework right here if I have done it, because today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. So if I haven't done it, I should do it, because my mom is going to check it. My teacher is going to check it, and if I didn't do it, my teacher is going to be very mad. So let's see. Did I do my workbook? Yes. Now my reading book. See, reading book marked. Good. So let's put my bag right there. Stuff my books in. So I have to stuff my books in right here in my bag. Zip it up. Zip, zip, zip. It's hard. Okay, put it there. Woohoo. La la la, la la la. Let's go wake up little sister. La 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 la. Step by step, step by step. Come on, little sister, wake up. Okay. I still want to sleep. Okay, let's go down. You're no more sleeping time, okay? Let's go down. Okay. I'm going to shoot beside puppy. Okay, I'm coming down. Whoop, whoop, doopy, 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 doop. Do, 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 do. Coming down the stairs. Baby, you look sleepy. Didn't you sleep last night? No. How many times have I told you to sleep early? Or you can't wake up like you are so sleepy right now. Okay. Now, you're such a naughty baby. Little sister, here, you go do your homework. It was in my bag. Your teacher gave it. And tomorrow's Monday. Your teacher is going to be angry if you don't do it. I'll be back and I'll check your reading homework. And you have to do it very goodly and mark it. I'm going to play with Puppy. Let's play catch, Puppy. Okay, I'm going to catch you or you're going to catch me. Okay, I'm going to catch you. Okay? Okay. Catch you, catch you, catch you. Let's catch you, catch you, catch you. Let's catch Puppy. Let's catch Puppy. Let's catch Puppy. Oh, I got ya, Puppy. Now you have to catch me. Ha, ha, ha. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. You cannot. Ha, 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 ha. You can't catch me. Oh, you got me. Huh? Puppy got Dolly, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. Puppy, you want to stay here? Okay, stay right here. And let me go and check on Dolly. Baby. So, baby, did you do your homework? The baby doll's little name is Dolly, nickname. So, did you do your homework? Yeah, I did it. Let's show you a tour of my house. Okay? Super cool. Okay, I'm gonna shoot white here. Okay, sit right there. Okay, going up the step. Steppy, steppy, step. Go up and up and up. Up and up and up and up and up and up and up. Here we are. So let me show you our bedroom. Here's our bedroom right here. Let's go in. Let's go in my bedroom. My baby sister's bedroom. So here's our bedroom, as you can see right here. So this is my bed. Let's get the doghouse. Here's my bed. Here's a doghouse for our dog. And here's a little table. Here's my baby sister's bed. Here's the chair. And I love the pink color here. Okay, so that was our bedroom tour. Now let's go to the other room here. So that's our coffee table, white coffee table. Now let's go down the stairs, down, 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 down. And here we are. So here's my baby sister. There's a room and there's the other section of the room. Hi. Hey guys, I can see you. It's a beautiful view from out here. I just love this view. It's so cool. Just love it. What a cool view. Woo! There's another window right here. Okay guys, if you liked my video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon.